Hello friends, today we discuss the product rule in differentiation. That is, if there are two functions which are multiplied to each other, then how do we differentiate? For this, you need to learn one formula, that is, if y is a function of two product functions, u is a function of x and v is also a function of x, then derivative of y with respect to x is, for this I tell you the easiest method. See, there are two variables u and v. So you write here twice u and v plus u and v. Because two variables, so you write two times. And then put differential over u here, not on v, plus next time put differential over v, not on u. I again repeat, when it was u differential, there is no v differential, plus when u is alone, there is differential of v. This is the easiest method how you take the questions. Now we illustrate this by example. For example, we have y equals to u into v, where u equals to, say this is x plus 1 and u equals to x plus 1 and v equals to x cube plus 4x. So y equals to x plus 1 into x cube plus 4x. Now see, this is u and this is v. Now first of all, take du over dx and dv upon dx, dv upon dx. So differential of u with respect to x is 1 plus 0, this is 1, and differential of v with respect to x is 3x square plus 4. Now what was the formula of differential? You remember, dy by dx, write the function u and v twice, and then see, plus 2 times you have written. First you put derivative with u and then you put derivative with v. Now substitute the values. Du upon dx is this, and this was 1, and v was x cube plus 4x, plus u was x plus 1 and dv by dx was 3x square plus 4. You substitute the values and then solve the function. This is how you solve the function. So we take one more example so that it is easier for you. Suppose y equals to x plus 1 into 2 plus x square and raised to power half. See, this is u, this is v. So u is x plus 1 and v is 2x. 2 plus x square power 1 by 2. Now you take the differential with respect to x, because on the right side the variable is x. So it should be 1 plus 0, which is 1, and it should be dv by dx should be, you remember the chain rule, bring the power to the left, reduce base as it is, reduce the power by 1, and then differentiate with respect to x the base 2 plus x square. You remember chain rule, na? So it becomes half 2 plus x square raised to power minus half into 2x, or you can say 2 plus 2, derivative of 2 is 0, so it should be 0 plus 2x, which is 2x. You cut it and you get x upon 2 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2. Now again, for the derivative, what was the derivative formula? Dy by dx is derivative of u with respect to x and v as it is, plus u as it is, derivative of v with respect to x. Now substitute the values. Du by dx was 1, du by dx was 1, and v was 2 plus x square raised to power half. 2 plus x square raised to power half, plus u was x plus 1, x plus 1 into derivative of v was x upon x upon 2 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2. So you solve this total function and you get the answer. So it should be 2 plus x square plus x plus 1 into x upon 2 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2. So this is 2 plus x square plus x square plus x upon 2 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2, which is 2 plus 2x square plus x upon 2 plus x square raised to power 1 by 2. Now there is one more query. If the product function contains 3 variables, what will you do? Instead of 2 functions, if the product function contains 3 variables u, v, w, then as I told you, the process is the same. For the differential, you write dy by dx, because these are 3 variables, so you write 3 times uvw plus uvw plus uvw, and then you put derivative over first function, leaving other two. then you put derivative of second function leaving other two, and then you put derivative of third function leaving the rest of the two functions. This is the best way to remember this formula, and again then you can solve this question very easily. So I hope you liked today's video. If any queries you can ask. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.